What's up guys, Joey here with YugaTech, and today I'm going to be unboxing something new, but you know, it's not really new. Oh, thank you. So yeah, it's the OPPO F9 in the Jade Green color. As you can see from the box, it's not Jade Green, it's purple, but looking at the back, just to make sure, it is indeed Jade Green. Okay, now let's get this plastic off. Ooh, bat knife. Nice. So this is the bat knife, our unofficial unboxing knife, and this is our unofficial handshake. Let's remove the plastic off of this box, just like so. Remove the plastic and be sure to throw it away with authority. So the lid comes off. As per usual, we have this smaller box that contains some more items. And here is the OPPO F9 in Jade Green. Let's lift off the plastic to reveal that it is actually Jade Green. So plastic comes off. And there it is. That looks really nice. Let's turn it on for the first time, and there we have the OPPO logo. Alright, so moving on to this smaller box, we have the SIM ejector tool, some documentation, manuals, and a clear jelly case. And we have the charger and micro USB cable. This is a VOOC charger, by the way, and something that's pretty rare nowadays. We have a pair of included earphones in the box. So that's what's inside the box of the Jade Green OPPO F9. So let's talk more about the phone. Let's get all this stuff out of here for now. It's a pretty standard unboxing. Let's talk about the phone. So aside from this really cool looking Jade Green back, this is still the same OPPO F9 that we all know. It still has that 6.3-inch display with the water drop notch. It still has that 25 megapixel front camera. It's still got the Helio P60 processor. Still got the 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and of course the VOOC fast charging. So what I'm going to say about this phone is that it's the most, for me, it's the best looking OPPO F9 you can get. I mean, compared to the other models, that's just nice. So the other F9s have the diamond glass back pattern, but you know, this one goes for the gradient thing. Doesn't shift around, but it's still really cool. And on the sides you see that guys? Yeah? It's silver. Doesn't that remind you of something really nice? It looks very premium. And around the camera, you have that gold trim. Also around the fingerprint scanner and the OPPO logo. Aside from the back being Jade Green, if you slide down your menu, even your status icons are green. That's a really nice touch. I think they did the same thing with the red OPPO F9. By now you might be asking, why? Why is this important? Why do we need to talk about this? Well, this has me kind of thinking about design trends in 2019. This isn't a new phone, but it's a new color variant for a phone, so we might see more of this sort of style throughout the year. Less shiny, but more simple and elegant and just low-key premium, but premium kind of feel and look. I don't know about you guys, but I personally like it. And I also like the curved sides that are silver. I don't know, there's just something about silver sides that really gets to me. I guess you could say it's a silver lining. Silver lining. So yes, this is the OPPO F9 in Jade Green. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this new color. So if you liked this video, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey. Happy weekend guys, and I'll see you on Monday. Alright.